In 2025, managing your money isn't just about tracking spending. It's about gaining insights and making smarter decisions. That's exactly what Snoop App UK promises to deliver. Designed as a personal finance assistant, Snoop connects to your bank accounts, analyzes your spending, and gives you tailored advice to save money, manage credit, and take control of your financial health. But the question is, does Snoop really deliver? And is it worth upgrading to premium? The first thing you notice about Snoop is how easy it is to connect your accounts using open banking. Within minutes, you get a clear overview of where your money goes each month. Snoop automatically categorizes your expenses, highlighting everything from groceries and bills to subscriptions you might have forgotten about. This makes it much easier to spot patterns and identify areas where you can cut back. What sets Snoop apart from basic budgeting apps is its personalized insights. It doesn't just tell you how much you've spent, it actively looks for better deals on bills, flags unusual spending, and even shows you how changes in your credit score could affect future borrowing. For people looking to improve their financial health, these nudges are invaluable. Snoop also includes credit insights, giving you a clearer picture of your credit standing and tips on how to strengthen it. This is especially useful for anyone planning to apply for a mortgage, loan, or credit card. While it doesn't replace a full credit report, it helps you stay one step ahead. Now, about the premium upgrade. With Snoop Premium, you unlock deeper analytics, advanced budget tracking, and priority support. For users who just want the basics, tracking spending and finding deals, the free version is more than enough. But if you're serious about long-term financial planning and want to squeeze the most value out of your money, Premium might be worth the extra cost. So, is Snoop worth using in 2025? Absolutely! If you want a smart, UK-focused money app that combines budgeting, credit insights, and money-saving opportunities in one place, Snoop is a fantastic choice. The free version is powerful on its own, and Premium is ideal for users who want to go the extra mile in managing their finances.